Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to work out exercise 7, page 15 and 16. This exercise started from question number 1 and ended to question number 10. But the last 4 questions are a little bit challenging and difficult. Please watch the video to the end, and if you are new viewer, please subscribe my channel. Before starting our lesson, please like the video and write a beautiful comment. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1. Part A said that give all answer where appropriate as a fraction in the lowest term. Okay, here we have 12 over 16. We simplify this one right here. Instead of 12, we can write 2 times of 6 over, instead of 18, we write 3 times of 6. Now we cancel or simplify 6 by 6, and the answer is 2 over 3. This is the final answer. Question number 2. Here we have first convert to improper fraction. 2 times of 6 is 12 plus 1, we have 13 over 6 multiplied by 3 over 26. Here we simplify 1 times of 13 and 2 times of 13 is 26. Here 1 times of 3 is 3, 2 times of 3 is 6. So the final answer is equal to, we write here 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and 2 times of 2 is 4. We write 1 over 2. This is the answer. Question number 3. As well, first we convert to improper fraction. Here we multiply 2 times of, or as well we can write directly, use the second method. I write here 2 as a whole number and draw a fraction line. We take common denominator between 5 and 4, 20. Then we divide 20 by every denominator and multiply by numerator. 20 divided by 5 give us 4 times of 2 is 8. We write here 8 plus 20 divided by 4 give us 5 times of 1 is 5. So here we write 2 as a whole number, and 8 plus 5 become 13 over 20. This is the final answer. Question number 4 come here. Here we have the bit-most rule or order operation. First multiply this multiplication. We write 10 as itself minus 3 times of 2 is 6. Then we subtract 10 minus 6, remain only 4. This is the answer. We come to part B. Question number 1. Here we simplify. First, to remove this decimal point, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. Here we multiply 1.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 10 as well with the multiply the denominator by 10, 18 multiplied by 10. So the numerator, this decimal point move to the right side, become 12, and the denominator become 180. Now we simplify. 2 times of 6 is 12, 3 times of 6 is 18, and we bring down 3 as itself. Then we simplify on more. 1 times of 2 is 2, 15 times of 2 is 30. So the final answer 1 over 15. Question number B, actually question number 2 part B. Here as well, first convert to improper fraction. 3 times of 5 is 15 plus 1, we have 16 over 5 divided by 1 times of 5 is 5 plus 3, we have 8, 8 over 5. Then we simplify. 1 times of 5 is 5. It means in denominator and division we can cancel or simplify denominator by denominator and numerator by numerator. As well here 1 times of 8 is 8, 2 times of 8 is 16. So the answer is 2 multiplied by 1 give us 2, and 1 times of 1 is 1. When the denominator is 1, typically don't write, the answer is 2. Question number 3 part B. Here first we simplify the whole number. Here we have 2 minus 1 plus 1, and we take common denominator between 4, 10 and 5. We take common denominator 20 here. 20 divided by 4 gave us 5. 5 times of 3 is 15. We write here 15. Minus, we remain this minus or negative in this part. 20 divided by 10 gave us 2. 2 times of 9 is 18. We write here 18. Plus, this sign is plus. We write here plus. 12 divided by 5 gave us 4. 4 times of 1 is 4. It's equal to here we subtract this positive with this negative. Subtract, just will remain 2 as a whole number, and 15 plus 4 become 19 positive minus 18 over 20. Then the final answer here we write that it is equal to 2 as a whole number. We write itself 19 minus 18 remain only 1. 1 over 20. This is the final answer. Question number 5 part B. Here we have order operation as well. Right. 6 is itself. First divide 3 divided by 3 gave us 1. 1 multiplied by 4. It's equal to 6 minus first multiply 1 times of 4 is 4. Now we subtract 6 minus 4 remain only 2. Come to question part C. Here this one we as well simplify according to Bit-Mouse rule. First we simplify the bracket. The Bit-Mouse rule explained with details in previous lesson. So if you are new viewer, please watch from the beginning of this series learning or videos. So here we have 8 divided by, here we subtract 3 minus 1 remain only 2. 2 square multiplied by 2, it's equal to 8 divided by 2 square 4 multiplied by 2. According to Bit-Mouse rule, first we divide here. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. So the final answer is 4. Question number 5. Here we have question number 5. Insert bracket in this expression to make it correct. And also question number 6. Insert a symbol in this expression to make it correct. So the first example here, I work. Here I insert the bracket. Now it's equal to, write 12 divided by 4 plus 2 becomes 6 plus 3. Then we first divide 12 divided by 6 give us 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. That's completely right. Question 6. We have insert bracket and symbol in this expression to make it correct. So I simplify this one as well. Here I insert a bracket like this, and we write here positive. Here division 3 plus 5 become 8. 8 divided by 2 give us 4. 4 is equal to 4. This one solved. Question number 7 said that write 12.0004975 correct to part A5 decimal point and decimal place, and part B5 significant figures. So I work out this one. Here 5 decimal place, we count the decimal place after decimal point. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We face with 7. Actually 7 is larger or greater than 5 here. So we ignore from 7 and we add round up 9. 9 become 10. We add 0 and 1 plus 4 become 5. So the answer is equal to, right here, 12.000. 4 become 5, and instead of 9 we add 0. This one correct to 5 decimal place. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number B, or part B, said 5 significant figure. In significant figure we count from left to right the non-zero digit. So I count from this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we face with 4. 4 is actually smaller than 5, so we directly ignore from this one when we write this one equal to 12.000. This one correct to 5 decimal place, 5 significant figure. This one solved. Question number 9 said that Gila has 20 liters of yogurt that she wants to put into containing 1 letter is each. How many pots can she fill? So here we have, or Jilla has actually 20 liters. A yogurt that she wants to put into pots containing 1/4 liters. Here we divide 20 divided by 1/4, so here it's equal to 20, because it doesn't have denominator, its denominator is 1 divided by, here we convert in proper fraction, 1 times of 4 is 4 plus 1, we have 5/4. Now we simplify as well. Here in fraction you can cancel numerator by numerator as well. 1 times of 5 is 5 and 4 times of 5 is 20. Then we multiply and use cross multiplication. 4 times of 4 is 16. We write here 1 times of 1 is 1, so the denominator is 1. We typically don't write, the answer is 16. It means Jello needs the 16 pots to put 20 liters yogurt into them. Question number 10 said that girls wears a device that counts the number of steps she takes every day. One day she did 1/15 of her steps before breakfast, a further half walking into town and another 1/10 around 1/10 walking around the supermarket. Part A, what fraction of her steps were not taken yet? Is the part B, that day the device record 12,000 steps. How many steps were not taken yet? So we calculate this one here. Girls wear a device that counts the number of steps she takes every day. One day she did 1/15, for example. This is the house of girls, for example, start to 1:15 before breakfast. This one has done before breakfast, and after that before breakfast, a further have walking into the town. After that she eat breakfast and start like this, come to the town. Here is, for example, town. Here have done a further half walking, it means 1/2 to the town. After that, a further half walking into the town and another 1/10 walking around the supermarket. For example, there is a supermarket. She walked 1/10 here around the supermarket. So, what fraction of her steps were not taken yet? Here we calculate the total is x, for example, 1/15 before breakfast. Here we have 1/15 minus 1/15. This part has been done before breakfast, minus half. Here we have half 1/2 x walking to a town, and minus 1/10 minus 1/10 x around the supermarket. Now we simplify this fraction. We take common denominator between this number. The first x, its denominator is 1. We take 30 as a common denominator. A little zoom in this one. We take common denominator here. 30 as a common denominator. 30 divided by 1 gives us 30x. Minus this minus we put. 30 divided by 15 gives us 2. 2 times of x is minus 2x. Minus this one, 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. 15 multiplied by 1 gives us 15x. We write here 15x. Minus 30 divided by 10. 3 times of x is 3x. Here we will write 30x as itself. First we collect or add the negative sign together. We have 2x plus 15 becomes 17. 17 plus 3 become actually 9, 10 or 20. Yes, 20. So we write here 20x over 30. Then we subtract 30 minus 20, remain only 10x over 30. And we simplify the 0 by 0, so the answer is 1 over 3 or 1/3 x. This part remain actually undone or we're not taking yet. Part A, what fraction of her steps were not taken yet? It means 1 over 3 has not taken yet. Part 2, that day the device recorded 12,000 steps. How many steps were not taken yet? So the total steps were actually taken that day or recorded by that device is 12,000. It means x is equal to 12,000. So we put here instead of x 1 over 3. Put here 12,000 and simplify. 1 times of 3 is 3, 4 times of 3 is 12. We write here 4 with 3 0. It means 4,000 steps were not taken yet. Also we can calculate with all details. For example, before breakfast, we here have before breakfast. Here has done, we can, its fraction was 1 over 15, this one, and multiplied by 12,000. Okay, first simplify by 3, 5 times of 3 is 15, 4 times of 3 is 12. Then we simplify by 5. 1 times of 5 is 5. 8 times of 5 is 40 with 3 0. 8 with 2 0 actually. It means 800 steps has been done or taken up before breakfast. Also we can, this one we circulate. We can count the number of steps to the town. We have 1 over 12x. Now we put instead of x 12,000. And we simplify. 1 times of 2 is 2, 6 times of 2 is 12. It's equal to 6,000. It means 6,000 steps were taken up during the way from her home to the town. And also we can calculate the number of steps around the supermarket. Here we have 1 over 10. 1 over 10x. We put instead of or substitute x. 1 over 10 multiplied by 12. 1 0 by 0 simplify. The answer is, sorry, but 0 is extra. 1,200 steps were taken up around the supermarket. Now we check all of them. Here we have 4,000 after coming the supermarket or the town. Now we total all of them. The total all of them must be 12,000. Here we have 6,000 plus 4,000 plus 1,200 plus 800. Now we add 0 by 0. We had 0, 0. 2 plus 8 become 10. We have 1. 1 plus 6 becomes 7. 7 plus 4 become 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So the total number of steps we're taking that day is 12,000. That's completely right. This part has been done completely. Exercise 7 star error is going to be worked out in next session. This one also some part are a little bit challenging or difficult, specifically after question number 5, number 10. So we will work out this into the next session. Please like my video. Thank you for watching.